think I need more muscles for this necklace. Superstar up in my city, taking pictures for the Texans. Missing, dissing, Danny Glover, we got plenty lethal weapons. Little mama and I'ma lay that pussy on the stretcher. Why so serious, Heath Ledger? Been from overseas, you only find this shit in Belgium. So 200 G's, I never thought I'd like a Tesla. This ain't Eddie Murphy lean.